Hi everyone. Good day once more. I want to discuss a very important topic with you. The topic is how to generate traffic to your site and YouTube channel. A lot of us who suffered before we become successful in blogging didn't get it easy at all. It was as a result of limited information when some of us started, and that limited information have been write off or taken away because of the existence of more knowledge in our contemporary world. So today I'll be discussing with you the simplest and the simplest way you can actually get traffic, generate huge traffic to your website or YouTube channel that can enable you to get a lot of views. So follow me one after the other. I am going to start from the cheapest, from the simplest to the highest. Do you understand? So you need to be very patient and follow me gradually. So number one, let me first of all let me make this statement. I hope you all know that owning a website or a YouTube channel does not guarantee your success. It is all about the effort you put in. And what I want to let you know is that it doesn't come easy at all. Before AdSense will put ad, or before some ad companies will accept you into their system, they would want you to have certain numbers of traffic to your website first. Now, so is YouTube, so is other video monetizing companies. They want you to have certain numbers of views. Now, in YouTube, they require that your short video have as much as 10 million views. In 10 million views or 4,000 watch hours. And I hope you know it is not easy at all. That can never be easy, except you have all of these tricks I'm about to show you. So we're going to be taking it one after the other. Don't rush as we start gradually. Now, what number one, let's deal with social media. Let's use the social media tricks. So let me do that. Social media. Under social media, this is what you will do first. Let me just put that one. Social media. So we have social media tips. Let's start from social media tips. Let's start from social media tips to get traffic. Social media tips to get traffics. Now, I am presenting this particular one to you because a lot of you think you know about the social media tricks, but you don't know anything about social media tricks. Let me not use that word because I don't know who is watching, but all I know, a lot of people are novice when it comes to social media tricks. So let me run you through. Let me give you 12 tips on social media while I move to the real one down. So the number one is make your profile on all leading social media channels. Make sure you create account in all social media channels. So number one under social media is a create account. Create account in all leading social media. Now, while I am writing this out, is to enable you to actually maybe pen it down, like write it down so that you can go through it in case you are a novice. That's why I'm writing it down. But the higher I go, the higher you're going to see the core thing you should do to generate huge traffic for you. But I will explain this first. Now, when you create account in social media and you have a page in all the social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of the social media, and you decided to be sharing your link in that place. I hope you know that one or two persons will always be clicking. This is the essence of making or creating an account in top or leading social media pages, channels. Do you understand? Then number two is to create a Twitter profile. Number two is to create a Twitter profile. Number two, create a Twitter profile. Create a Twitter profile and tweet all the latest posts. And tweet all the latest posts. And tweet all the latest posts. Put related now. And then when you start tweeting your related posts, are you listening? Now hashtag and tagging people of that feed. Then hashtag and also tag that have related interests. Now, do you know that when you hashtag and also tag people that have related interests, there is every tendency that they will come and view that post. And on viewing that post, if you share your link there, they'll click and then that will lead them to your website or your video. Do you know? Good. Number three, join the group related to your topic on each of the social media channel. Join the group related to your topic on each of the social media channel. On each of the social media channel. Now, when you do this, it will help you to generate a lot of traffic. Sometimes you have created a post or you have made a video. Now, what do? Since you already have a group that people have related interest to that of what you write, you share the video, you share the blog post. At the end of the day, one or two persons will definitely click to go and see. What is that? Is that not traffic? Huge traffic, especially when the people are much in that group. Can you imagine you make a post or you make a video and you share the link and let's say 100 people click from each of the groups? It is not a small clicking. Number four, share all your new posts regularly on every platform. Number four, now the next thing you will do is to share all your new posts regularly on each platforms. Now, each time you share this post in your groups and in all the social media, you always a mile closer to getting traffic. Do you understand? It generates a lot of traffic. When you do for all the social media, anyhow, one or two persons must click. It works a lot. Now, number 5 is there are multiple communities for content sharing. Join them. Number 5, there are multiple communities for content sharing. Now, what do? Join communities in social medias that are related to content sharing. When you join them, some persons want to learn from what you have just written. Some persons want to learn from what you are talking, for what you are discussing in your video. So within even the people that share their own content, they will still view your post, they will still view your video. It works like fire. Do this and thank me later. Number 6, do interact with your audience by having polls and competitions. 5, 6. Do interact with your audience by Number 6, do interact with your audience by having polls and competition. By having polls and competitions. Now, let me explain this to you. When you interact with your audience and then creating a poll like, okay, vote between this video or the other video, or vote between this post or the other post, just try to create something that will make your audience to come and write comments in voting for one or the other. Also create post or video depending on where you're trying to get, if it is your blog or if it is your YouTube channel or any video at all, any platform that you're doing. Always create where people want to come and compete, or where people want to come and vote. Create an incentive for people that come to vote sometimes. Yes, create incentive for people that actually come to compete. Winner goes with so. It works like fire. It creates a lot of traffic. I hope you understand. So let's go to the next one. Number 6, number 7. So our number 7 is to take help from your relative for sharing your post. Take help from your relatives. Take help from your relatives for sharing your post. Now, this works a lot. You shouldn't have pride in asking your relative to please share your post. For instance, you have 5 siblings, and each time you make a post, say, please, can you share my post? And all of them share your post one. That is 5 sharing. And let's say they all have up to 2,000 followers. There's a tendency that maybe 50 will click. You have already gotten 50 or 250 views from there. And perhaps when they view one, maybe go to your first video and they're interested, they may want to go and view one of your other video or one of your other blog posts. So it works like fire. Try that and thank me later. Number 7, include the past blog post while sharing the latest one. Number 8, include the past blog post while sharing the latest. While sharing the latest. Now, include the past blog post while sharing the latest. This is applicable to both video and normal traffic in your website. For instance, you're writing an article, and within the article you come across a word you wrote that is related to an article you've written before. Put the link on that particular word and let the people know that they can click and go and check that one too. It creates multiple page views, and that is counted as views for you. What about video? You are making a video, maybe you're teaching about radio and you have written something about television before. The next thing is, would you like, you now make a statement that would you like to know about the video, about television, like that. say it in the process of you talking about your radio topic that you're discussing. Talk about the television you've talked about before, chip it in, and then tell the person that the person can actually check your page to get the same video that you're trying to introduce in your current video that you have just made. Do this and you will see that you will have an increase in your views. So the number 9 is upload pictures on sites like Pixabay and link back to your profile. Upload number 9, sorry. Number 9, sorry, I'm writing this so that you can jot them down and then practice it one after the other. Upload number 9, upload pictures on sites. Upload pictures on sites. Upload pictures on sites like Pixabay. Upload pictures on sites like Pixabay. And link back to your profile. And link back to your profile. Yes, when you make a post, now you use a picture in that post on Pixabay, isn't it? Now, when you use very good picture on Pixabay, there are people that want to check the picture, and when they click and you put your link on the picture side, they will definitely go to your profile. And when they go to your profile, there's a tendency that it will also lead to traffic depending on the link that you added there. So please take note of this. Then take note of the Pixabay. They give a lot of traffic. That's what I'm saying in essence. So in summary, so number 10, try to promote the Facebook page for your blog with Facebook ads. Try to promote. Let me put it. Try to promote your blog post. Or videos. On a blog post or videos using, let me put it, using Facebook ad. Yeah. See, when you do this, it will help a lot of traffic. Facebook is one of the cheapest platform that you can actually advertise the link to your YouTube channel, to your other video platform, and to that of your website. So when you do this, it will give you a lot of traffic to that place. But you must make sure that what you're spending is no more than what you're getting. Is that okay? So you have to do check and balance for yourself, by yourself there. So okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, this is number 10. Then we are going to number 11. Sorry, we are going to number 11. So other platforms like Instagram and Twitter could also be promoted. Number 11, other platforms like Twitter, and Instagram can be used for your promotion. So Twitter and Instagram can also be used for your promotion. Take note of that, please. So We are on number 12. Your number 12 is to search questions related to your niche and answer them on Quora to get high quality traffic. This one works like fire, and like I told you, the higher I go, the higher I give you the real gist that will give you traffic to your YouTube channel, to your other video channel, or even or to your other video channels and that of your website. So number 12, answer questions questions on Quora, Digest, on Quora, and add links to your blog or video. Yes, so this also works like fire. I hope you all of you are listening. I hope you are listening. So this also works like fire. Don't forget this, please. So go to Quora.com and then answer questions related to your blog niche. Then when you answer question there, you will definitely get, and you add your link, you definitely get traffic back to your channel, or to your blog. So we are going to number 13. So the 13 is make blog on Quora and link that to your main blog. Write informative content. Do you understand? So make posts on the same Quora. Make posts on the same Quora. Make posts on that Quora and link your website. Your post have to be informative. Have to be informative. Have to be informative in order to gain attraction. So I hope you're getting this. Sorry for my slow typing, and I have to write them out so you can understand what I am saying. So number 15 is make a group of people with same niche and share each other's content on different platforms. Do you understand now? You have to make a group of persons. Make a group of persons who writes. Make a group of persons who write or make videos on same niche, so you can be sharing your content on social media platforms, with one another. So let's go. Make a group of people. That is 14. Then we are on 15. Be on 15. Yes, 115. So 15. So you can create presentations and upload them to SlideShare to get traffic. So make presentation on SlideShares. 15. Make presentation make presentation and share you can make presentation and share on slideshares. So SlideShares is one of the social media that actually give traffic a lot. So take note of the number 15 very well. Always remember to add your link. It will lead them to your video or to your blog post. Is that okay? So let's go to 16. So we're on 16. Now tag people on your content every time so that they can like and share it. Don't forget to tag people. To tag people in your content. So each time you tag people, they will get notification that you make a post. Some from the headline you use or from the topic, they may have interest and come straight to that post. So it works a lot. Is that okay? Now, number 17. Number 17, forgive me. Okay, social media, let me give you 19 of them. Yes, on social media. 17. Hire someone to promote your website through Google AdWords. Promote 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 your content through Google AdWords. Through Google AdWords. So when you use Google AdWords, so in case you don't know how to actually promote your content in Google AdWords, please, you can hire somebody to do that, or you can even contact me in case, because it gives a lot of traffic and it actually raises your SEO. Your site optimization engine will actually crawl your site faster. Even when the promotion is over, it actually give that of your post a better priority than when it was not promoted at all. This is what I understand. So create social media posts on every festival to get viral and have more likes and shares. Now create 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 social posts on every on every festival festival period to get to get more to get more posts to get more post likes, share and views. I will explain this to you. Like Christmas or Salah is coming and you post about that particular festive time, that celebration that they are doing, e.g. Salah, you will see that people will get have more engagement uh, on that particular post. It works a lot. So just do try that. If it is Christmas, make post about Christmas or make video about Christmas. Always don't forget to be doing post or video depending on what you're doing about festive periods. Yeah, especially when it is time for the before the day of the celebration. Do that and you will thank me later. So finally, on social media, before we go to the real game, 19 is share your blog post regularly on WhatsApp group. It works. Share your video links or or blog posts on WhatsApp, on WhatsApp, on WhatsApp and Telegram. So this also works. Share it. You will still get 1 or 2 views. Trust me for this, please. So let me go to content-based tips. I've given you 19 on I'll give you 19 on social media tips to get traffic. So I'm now going to give you content-based tips. So let me write that out. Content-based tips. So let me use content-based tips. Content-based tips. So we are discussing content-based tips. So let's go. Now, number one on content-based tips. Number one on content-based tips. So have a quality in your content. Now, have a quality in your content. Let me put it as focus on quality than quantity. Focus on quality than quantity. Focus on quality than quantity. Now, why did I say this? I said this because a lot of persons just want to create plenty posts, but at the end of the day, the plenty posts may not even be marketable for them because they look at doing the plenty things instead of doing at least few but of high quality. So please don't mix this together. Don't go for quantity that you are having many posts. No, go for quality. Take your time to create your content so that anybody that come across it would want to actually patronize you. So please don't forget this at all. It's very, very important. So let's go to the next one. Now, before writing the content, read about the topic beforehand. Do you understand? Number two, before writing the content or making video on the content, before writing the content, or let me put it as before creating the content, before creating the content, before creating the content, before creating the content, please read and make deep research on the topic. So this is how this thing works. So when you want to create a post, please don't forget to do a lot of research about that particular post, whether you're making video or you're writing. And when you make research on any topic, make sure you're presenting something that is advanced more than what exists in the platform. For instance, you're creating video about keyboard or keyboard. Please, when you're teaching about keyboard, make sure that you're giving them the tricks that no one have ever given. So this is where somebody will say, this person have something to give us. They will subscribe to your channel. This person have something to give us. They want to follow your blog and then check on your page all the time. Is that okay? Sorry, my screen went off. Do you understand? So always make research on that particular topic. Not just research, do thorough research. Now, number 3 is, this is basically for the bloggers. This particular one is basically for the bloggers. Install a comment. Number 3, install install a comment plugin. Now, for the people using WordPress, for the bloggers who are using WordPress and other platforms that have plugin, please don't forget to install comment plugin. The comment plugin will enable your user to actually put comment. But for video makers, they already have that in the YouTube, and also not just also the people that are under blogger.com, people using blogger.com, they already have comment, and I'm sure every other blogging platform have it already. So please don't forget to do this in case. Don't forget to install a comment plugin in case your platform does not have, so that people can put comment. Sometimes somebody may make one silly comment and somebody want to like reply to the person. So when they reply and the other person get notification, will come and open the post again, and you see that at the end of the day, comment upon comment, even in video, comment upon comment, your views must have been gathered beyond even your own understanding. So please take note of all of these steps. They work a lot. So let's go to number 4. Let people share your content with social media sharing icons on blog posts. So please make sure number 3, 4. Now, create share icon. Create share icon for social media on your blog. Now please, in case your website, or if this is for bloggers, in case your website does not have social media icon, please put that now, so that whenever somebody read your post and the person is interested and would like to share with us, that the person can actually have those icons: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Telegram, all of them, all of those icons all of those icons are actually available out there. So in case you don't know how to do it, you can contact me or contact any other person to help you do it, please, because it will help you get a lot of shares in your website. This is basically not for the YouTubers or the video people. This number 4. So let's go to number 5. Ask for feedback from your audience and reply as much comment as possible. Ask for feedbacks ask for feedbacks and reply comment always, Now, when you're making a video, always tell people to let you know what they have learned. Is there anything they wanted to know and you have not said it, that they should please ask question in the comment section. When you do that, somebody will ask question, somebody will just like it, on liking it, or maybe replying to that person, and then you reply also. Don't forget to always reply. Somebody want to, when the person comes in, they want to click on that reply to check what you have written as a reply. The person may just reply to your reply again, and then the other person that commented first will get the notification again, and then come back to the same video or the same post. So when you're doing that, at the end of the day, traffic will multiply for you. So let's go to number 6. So our number 6 is that your article should have more than 1,000 words, as search engine love articles with in-depth information. So please, for bloggers, make sure you write more than 1,000 words. Please avoid short articles. It will take you to nowhere. Are you listening? What did I say? Avoid short articles. Short articles but insightful will take you to somewhere. But try to write articles that is very, very insightful and have a lengthy, at least let it be lengthy. Let it not be unnecessarily lengthy. that you're just talking and it makes no meaning. No, make sure it is meaningful, insightful, but also lengthy. Search engine loves that a lot, and it will make them to actually crawl your content as fast as possible. So can we quickly go to number 6? So the number 7, please. Can we go to number 7? So link under informative content on the internet to help people know the content well. Is that okay? Now, put links, add links. So for the YouTubers, please, I'm coming to where will help you. I'm just taking it gradually. For the YouTubers, just watch gradually. You are also learning. So add links to other related to other add links from other related site to your blog post. Now add links from other related sites to your blog post. Now I will explain this in a further clarifying way. For instance, you're reading about maybe you're reading about a phone mouthpiece. As you're reading about phone mouthpiece, and then you know a site that writes about phone mouthpiece, and then the person gives further detail, you can give a link for people to go and learn more to that to the other person's website. If you do that, whenever they are going back, they may still come back to that link again. Sometimes they may forget, they may be wanting to go to that link and they may forget and they remember and they still come back to your link to your website. Look for that particular post. On looking for it, you're generating views for yourself. So please don't be selfish. You can always give backlinks to other website owner. It will help generate. It actually gives you upper hand sometimes, according to research. I don't know how true that one is to your SEO. So no use. So let's go to number 8 now. User list posts. Uh, uh, Now don't forget to uh, let me put it this way. List your post. List your post. Now from research, it is known that whenever you list your post, for instance, this one I'm telling you now, do you see I'm numbering them? That numbering now makes readers to actually go gradually. It makes them to spend more time, come back, to spend more time on your site and also come back to your site to check certain number. For instance, they list your post as number 8 now. Maybe the person may not remember one, the person may still come back to your site again to check the number 8. Maybe the explanation you're making. So sometimes list your give them numbering of your when you're outlining something, number them. It helps a lot. You will when you do this, you find out that your post or your website will have a spike in traffic. So let's go to number 9. The number 9 here is now update your blog regularly. Update your blog regularly. Now, when you update your blog regularly, whenever you update your blog regularly, let me let you know something. When you update your blog regularly, let me explain this to you. For instance, you created you make a video or you make a blog and you say get tips on how to make a cap 2024. Now when it is 2025, don't forget to go and turn it to 2025, to turn the topic to 2025. It will sensitize the search engine that okay, a new post has come again. Do you understand? And whenever people see it, they want to click, they'll think it is the latest thing, and they'll still want to come and view your video or your post. Please remember this. So let's go to number 9. This is number 9. So please let's go to number 10. Now, you create a content in your blog that sensitize people, that they will have incentive for sharing your post. For instance, best fan card, best fan gifts. Create something like that. I'm coming. Let me put it this way. Best share, likes, and view incentive. Now, give this best share, like, and view incentive. If you see, you may not always know who have done that, but when you create a post of that nature on your blog, and then it will give people to come and becoming. Some people want to become and becoming, and at the end of the day, don't forget to like tip somebody that you feel the person has been viewing your post. If you're able to track or trace the person, just tell the person to send his or account detail. You just wire the person something. It will make the person to be comment. The person will tell another person that this is what I was doing this, and they gifted me. It works, and it works with video a lot. Whenever you see that somebody is viewing, just maybe comment. You can always know from comments. Yes, just try to tip the person at the end of the year. Just okay, we are letting you know through your comment that you're the best commenter, and that is why we're asking you to send your account detail. That kind of a thing. It will help the person to keep coming, not just only that person. You will let another person know. Before you know, the person will be galvanized to be sharing your video, and it become a work for the person sometimes. So it works. So let's go to number 11, please. So the number 11 we have here, is related to that of, okay, let's go to number 11. Like I have already explained, the explanation I gave in number 10 is what I have in number 11. So what we'll do that now, always create infographic, and share them across. Create infographics and share them across internet, linking them back to your blog, and share them across internet. Linking them to your site. Now, to your site or channel, because of the video people. Okay, sometimes good graphic design helps us a lot to get more views. So sometimes you can actually create a graphic design, a very good designed uh, picture, and then on internet, anywhere at all, maybe in comment section or anywhere, draw the picture, put your link there, and write a small thing about it. It will help you get a lot of traffic. Sometimes if you're on Facebook, you see somebody dropping a link as if it's like a spam. It's not a spam. It's a gimmick to actually get traffic. So let's go to number 12. So the number 12 I have here is to create content on recent trending topics. Create content on recent trending topics. Create content. Create content on recent trending topic. So you're to create content on recent trending topics. It will help you a lot to actually I'll get more views, because there'll be a lot of high hashtags that will be going on social media, and on doing so, it will actually make Google or other search engine to to be like sensitized or impulsed to grow more of such information within that periodic time. So please do that regularly and thank me later. So we are on number 13. On number 13, number 13 is interview famous person in the same feed as yours and let them share the post on their social channel. For example, you could interview some famous person from digital marketing field. It works a lot. So interview famous person. So interview famous people. So when you interview famous people, let them know about your blog or your channel, and let them know if you let them know about your blog or channel and they get to that place, they will definitely share that particular video or blog. Why? Because they will always want to tell their fans that they will interview so time, and this and letting them, just to let them know that okay, what is presented to them, which is your link, is his replies. So it works a lot. So this is the end for this one, for content based tips. So let's go to SEO based tips. SEO based tips. So number one, you need to know what SEO means. SEO is search engine optimization. The search engine optimization, you're talking about Google and other search engine. So to optimize, search engine optimization refers to how you you try to increase your visibility in search engines. Example, Google. So how will you optimize your visibility in Google and other search engine is what we're about to discuss. And like I told you, I am going to be numbering them for you one after the, like I am doing. I'm going to be numbering them. And I told you that numbering is one of the tactics to make people stay in your channel or to stay in your blog to read longer and also come back to read again. Do you understand me? So let's go to number one. Always try to have responsive team. Have responsive team. Number one, have responsive teams. Have responsive team. Now, there are some of the template or theme in our website that does not give us the right loading or the right search engine optimization. There are themes that are outdated or maybe have one bug or the other, of which if you put that kind of theme in your website, Google may end up ignoring your site when they search related topics that you have already written about. Do you understand? They may end up ignoring or maybe crawling other person's site even before you. Is that okay? So let your team be responsive. So before you upload team, do research about the team in your website. This is basically for this one is basically for what's the name, for website or blog owners. So we are going to be going to number two. So our number two here is template should also be looking better to the user. Please, good looking template is our number two. Good looking template. Good looking template. Template. So when you are putting your templates, when you're installing your templates in your website during the creation, or even if you're not the one building the website by yourself and you hired somebody like us, hire somebody like us and we are building the website for you, always tell the person building it for you to please put a site engine optimized theme for you, and the theme should be beautiful. There are websites that you go to, you will not like the theme at all, how the background is looking. Some of them are fiercely. You come and see somebody putting a very big dragon at the back of his website, at the end of the day, if you have phobia for such a thing, you will end up not even reading the article at all, and you will never come back to that particular article. So this is particularly for bloggers or website owners. So please don't forget these two tips. It will help you to get more visibility in Google and other search engines, and also helps the reader to probably come back or stay to read to the end. So let's go to number 3. Now, the blog structure should be easy to solve. Now, good blog structure 3. Good blog structure. Good blog structure. Now, this is how you outline. The blog structure is how you uh, outline or design your website. For instance, don't just put things anyhow in your website. Arrange them in a way that the reader can actually and easily find what they are looking for. Not to be looking for one thing because you mix them all together. No. If you're designing your website or somebody designing your website for you, please remember that the outline, the interface have to be very easy to navigate through so that somebody will not be suffering to be looking for one thing. Don't do that. If your website is like that, it will reduce your SEO, your site engine optimization. Your site will not be optimized compared to when it is properly arranged. So this tip I'm discussing with you is SEO based tips, which is site engine optimization based tips. What will help you get more visibility in site engine? Is that okay? So we are going to be going to number 4. Our number four is all pages and links should be linked and updated regularly. Now, regular updates 3, 4. Regular update, regular updates. To post and links to post and pages. Now, if you have pages and the information that is there is outdated, please don't forget to go and update it. If you don't update it, if the information is outdated, for instance, let's say uh, uh, Google was actually accepting well, okay, let me put it this way. What should be general is what I'm supposed to use. So okay, uh let's say the present president of America. Okay, let's say when Barack Obama, maybe you wrote an article when Barack Obama was the president of United States of America. Now, and you use the word the present president of United States of America is Barack Obama. Then now you need to come back now and change the Barack Obama to Joe Biden. Yes, update it regularly. When you do that update, it will look very fresh and very more informative and educative to Google and other search engines, and that will make them actually optimize your visibility. So let's go to number 5. Now, submit the blog to Google. Yes. Now, submit your blog. 5, 6. Submit your blog to search engines. In case you're not a developer and you don't know how to build website and you don't know how to do this, please hire somebody to do it. There are times that submitting the link to that particular post that you did to Google helps Google to easily identify that, okay, there is an existence of such post in the internet. It quickens the way that Google crawls your topics. So in case you don't know how to do that, please, you can contact me or you can contact any other person who is a developer or build site and know how to do this and is an SEO expert. So you can contact me in the comment section to help you do that. And any post you make, give me 2 hours. You can search it on Google and you will get it, because I am going to be submitting it to Google or other search engine directly. I wouldn't, sorry for mentioning time particularly, but at least I will try for you. Let me say that for purpose of information, please. So let's go to number 7. The number 7 is comment with your blog on other blog in same niche. Now, um, share your link. 7. Share your links on other blog comments. On other blog comments. Now, to be sincere with you, whenever you comment on other people's blog and you try to add your link to your website or to your blog, at the end of the day, it actually increases your SEO. Some doubt the credibility of this number 8, of this number 7, while some says it works. So give it a try and then give us the feedback, or just note it that it works for you or didn't work for you. Is that okay? So number 8 is, okay, you can actually convert your post into other formats and share them on specific websites like Docs or Scribes. Now, 7, 8. Convert your posts to different formats and share different format and shares on sites like Docs or Scribes. So when you do this, Docs or Scribes, so when you do this particular this thing, it will help readers to still locate your website, and it will give you of a lot of spike to your site engine visibility. So if anybody is searching anything related to your topic, before you know, Google will bring your own site first before every other person. It works like fire. So don't forget to try this out. So number 9 is that you can review product and services in your niche, and then can ask the companies to share on their social handles. Yes, product reviews. Number 8, 9. Product reviews. So if you do product reviews, if you do product reviews, whenever you do product review for any company at all, you don't necessarily need to conduct them first. Just do reviews, particularly the ones that have a positive impact on the society. Do review about them, and when you do review about them, contact the company willingly, and then let them know that you own a website, or you own a blog, or you own a YouTube channel, or you own a channel in any of the uh, video platforms, and let them know that, okay, these are the reviews. When they go through it and the reviews are positive, they'll definitely share it in their social handle, and when they share it in their social handle, it will give you a spike, not just a spike to your views, but also a spike to your search engine visibility. So let's go to number 10 now. Guest blogging is an efficient way to reach more people. Guest blogging. 9, 10. Guest blogging. So if you, for those of you that does not know what guest blogging is, guest blogging simply means when you allow another blogger to come to write in your website. For instance, I am a blogger and I've been a blogger for a very long time. You own a website and you now tell me, please, can you write a post for me? Now, when I write, I also put my own website link to your own, and I submitted the post to you, not being published to my own website. And then you publish it in your own website. It will make me to come and check. For even me to come and check in your own website alone, it has given you a spike. Not just that one. Whenever or relatively every other person that do guest blogging, guest post will definitely share that blog. So it will give you a spike or a high visibility in search engines. So please take note of that. Guest blogging works a lot. So it is to your own. Now, if you do guest blogging in another person's website and you put link from your own website to that of the post that you are writing for another website, at the end of the day, people will come and check. People will come and click on your website and it will give you backlinks. That is a backlink, and at the end of the day, it will give you high visibility also. So let's go to number 11. The number, okay, you can also have a blogger to write for your site. That's like we actually explained. So if you do guest blogging, your guest blogging is when you write for another website. You write, let me put this one in the number 11. Write for another website. So this is how it works. So the guest blogging is when you're writing for another website and you put your own link there. It will work. It will help you in the SEO. Then you can also let other people to come and write for you, just like as I explained earlier. So the both of them are supposed to be called guest blogging, depend on the language. But I decided to just split them to their separate terminology. So let's go down to number 10. So you can use Quora to bring in more visitors to your blog. So I've talked about Quora today. 11, 12 Quora. Usage of Quora. So Quora will help your SEO visibility. So because each time you answer questions in Quora, the next thing you do is to put your link. When you put your link, it will increase your visibility. I've done that not even in Quora alone. I've done that in Nairaland. That really sometimes I was just searching the topic on Google and I found out that even my website did not come directly, but it has to come through Nairaland, which gave me a high SEO in nochessy.com when I was dedicated to writing in nochessy.com. So let's go to number 12. Number 13, forgive me, please. Number 13. Okay, now submit your blog to healthy blog submission directories. Yes. 13, 14. There is submission of blog to directory, submission of blogs. Submission of blogs to directories. Submission of blogs to directories. So submission of blogs to directories. Now, what is submission of blog to directories? Submission of blog to directories. There are directory platform that works like search engine that actually give traffic. So anyone you know that is healthy, you can search for them on Google. You can actually submit your blog link and it will give you high SEO. It will give you high SEO, to be sincere with you. So you can give that a try and see how it works for you. Okay. So we will go gradually. We are on SEO. So let's go to number 14. Number 14. So let's pick number 14 and discuss. So number 14, add a blog to some famous social bookmarking website. Sorry, we're number 14. Am I making a mistake? Okay. Number 14. Let's go to number 14. Okay, add the blog to some famous social bookmarking website. So you know that you can, if you do that, you actually get more views. So add your site to bookmarking. So give it a try and you will thank me later. So bookmarking site, whenever you you add your links there, it helps a lot. So search bookmarking sites on Google and then you get some of them. I can't remember any of them as at the time I'm making this video. So just search them and then it will help you. So the number 16 is join communities like indie blogger to have your blog reach more people. So join indie bloggers. 15, 16 please. 16 is join indie blogger. Join indie bloggers. Indie bloggers. So search for indie bloggers. If you join them and then keep giving your links, it will help you in your both. Even if you're a YouTuber, be posting your link there. It will help you get more visibility. Try that; it helps. Then the next thing, number 16, is use call action in your headline so that people would have to click and read. Is that okay? Now, use call action in your headline. 17, use call action. Use call action in your headline. So please always use attractive headlines. Do you understand? Use attractive headlines. Use headlines that you know that is not common. Don't go and be directly copying headline and be putting, because at the end of the day, your own will be at the back in search engine. So make sure you're using a very attractive one that can make people to read quickly. And when you do that, it will help your SEO in a very long way. So let's go to 18. So we are number 18. So never use ads that degrade users' experience, like pop-up. Now, don't use intrusive ad. Don't use intrusive ads. Don't use intrusive ads. Don't use intrusive ads. So like pop-ups, please, any ad company that have pop-ups, like let me not mention any of them. Let me not mention of them for the purpose of this video, because yeah, I'm sure it may not be all that healthy for me to be mentioning a particular company. So don't use intrusive ads that are annoying. Please avoid it. It will not help your SEO at all. Avoid it entirely. I hope you understand this. So let's go to 19. So our number 19, encourage people to comment on your post. Please do that. The more they comment, the more that Google and other search engine may be sensitized that there is a thing of interest in the blog you have just written. So encourage comments. So please encourage comments. It will help you a lot. So 19, then we are on 20. Now, your 20, you can create your own RSS feed for blog and submit to RSS directories. So please, RSS feed, submit RSS feed to directories. So please note this. Google have their directories. Do you understand me? If you don't know how to do that, we can help you. And if you don't know how to create RSS feed, please let us know. We can help you create for your blog. It's very simple to create it. And that is a topic on this. I may not be able to be discussing that in this particular. So search for it, or you let us know. We can help you do it for free. Is that okay? So just comment that maybe you have a website and you want to submit your RSS feed to directories. We can help you do that. So number 21. Our number 21 here is let me go to number 21. Number 21 is analyze your traffic to Google Analytics and focus on things that are bringing more traffic. So focus on traffic generating traffic generating focus on traffic generating topics. So if you're a blogger or you're a YouTuber, look at what is giving you traffics. When you use Google Analytics to check which one is giving you traffic, now focus more on the topics that give you more traffics. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Focus on topics that give you more traffics. When you do that, you will end up getting you will have more sensitization to Google search engines, and that will spike or increase your search engine visibility. Is that okay? So we are on number 22. So on the number 22 here, we have use Google Trends to find topics that are trending. Now use Google Trend. So try to write on topics that are trending, and you can always know topics that are trending from social media or Google Trending. If you don't know how to use Google Trending, you can search it. You will always find an information about that. So when you find out that this is the topic that is trending, go and write about that. You are always standing the chances of getting traffic as at the moment that that particular topic is trending, and when it actually retrend again, because there are issues that trend, and before you know, they will go and they will come back again. Is that okay? So number 23. So let me check number 23. My batteries. Okay. Let me go to number 23. The number 23 I have here is add image to post and include auto text and caption so that they appear in Google Images. So use image auto text. Now when you add image to your post and you put auto text, it helps Google to actually recognize it as soon as possible. Is that okay? So platforms like blogger.com have it automatically done. So next time, in case your platform that you're blogging does not have that, please don't forget to use auto text. And if you don't know how to do that, you can search it. The detail will be given to you from Google. So the number 24 that I have here is the number 24 that I have here. 1 minute, please. The number 24 that I have here is write a good search engine description for each post according to the focus keywords. Yes. Now, always write a description, good description or headline, good description. Now, when you're writing your description or your headline, remember to always make it related to the content that you're writing. It's very important, and let it be attractive. Please don't forget this. Very, very important. So the number 25 we have here is 25. So the number 25 we have here is the URL of your blog post should contain your focus keyword. Do you understand now? So URL to focus your keywords. So please don't, if you're using a link shortener, if you're using your link shortener when you're sharing it, when you're sharing your link in platforms, it will not give you the SEO aim that you're looking for. So if you're sharing it like Quora.com and the rest of them, please don't use link shortener. It may not give you what you're looking for. So let's go to number 26. So this is number 26. So the URL of, okay, sorry, 26 is do not copy post content from another blog. So don't do copy and paste. No copy and paste. So please avoid copy and paste, because if you're doing that, Google will actually reduce the ranking of your website drastically. I think you should repeat after me, drastically. So please don't do that. So lastly, we are going to be going to more ways to increase blog traffic. So let's go to this one, more ways to increase blog traffic. More ways to increase blog traffic. So if you have come to this particular point and you follow this video one after the other, I think you should remember that we have discussed the topic is how to generate traffic to your site and YouTube channel. So for those people who are YouTuber, I am sure all of you are learning, because I'm sure a lot of YouTubers are bloggers, except maybe you that is watching now. So if you are not a blogger, you should go and try it today. And if you're a YouTuber, I hope you're learning tricks from this particular trick, even when we are not mentioning the YouTube channel and other video platforms. I hope you're learning from them. So far, we have discussed social media tips to get traffic. We have discussed social media tips to get traffic. So since we have discussed that, then we have also discussed all of these numbers in under social media tips to get traffic. We discussed from 1 to from 1 to how many from 1 to 19. Then we now discuss a content based tips. So on content based tips, we discuss 4. Okay, we discuss how many? We discussed 13. Now we are now discussing SEO based tips. We have just discussed SEO based tips, and we are able to cover as much as 26. So we are now on more ways to increase blog traffic. So let me highlight this with color. So I don't know if this will be more visible. So more ways to increase blog traffic. Now, number 1 is, to be sincere with you, there are many websites which allows you to actually increase your own forum. There are more websites that actually allow you to increase your own forum. So look for website hosts that actually allow you to increase your blog posts. I may not be able to be writing this on now. Connect with influencers. Please always connect with influencers, people that have a lot of followers on social media. And maybe they have the same niche with you. Please connect with them. It's very, very important. Now, develop code for some applications and submit them to site linking back to your blog. So for people that are coders like us, that are coders, that know computer languages, we are the one that understand this. So the number 4 way that you can actually increase more traffic to your site or to your video channel, you can actually create theme and plugins for Blogger and WordPress and link to the blog. So this is for bloggers also. Now, you can organize event for the blogging community nearby. Yes, you can do that. When you do that, everybody can actually tend to know what everybody is into. So that kind of event can make you people to help one another. Very, very important. Now, create your subscribe list. Please don't forget to create your subscribe list. Then the number 8 is use plugins like Yoast SEO. I'm talking about the Yoast SEO is for people that are using WordPress. So write a complete article for major problems in your niche. Please do that. Use complete article. Don't go and cut your articles. Then number 10 I can advise you is to combine 2-3 base articles to create a super article with more than 5,000 words. It helps like that. So do that. Now, create Instagram profile and share content that people make viral with hashtag. Please do that and thank me later. Then, if you are good at doing some tasks, then create a Fiverr profile and link back to your blog. These are for the internet hustler. The These are for internet hustlers. So if you know you can do one or two things and you're a freelancer, you can actually showcase your freelancing pros in Fiverr. The Fiverr is spelled Fiverr. That is a platform that some of us work and gain and earn small thing. Now, number 13 is create content courses on Academy and share your blog link there. Academia, edu.academy, edu.academia also. There's such uh, platforms allows you to actually share your platforms or to share your link sometimes depending on the admin, and then that will help you to get more traffic a lot. Now, always link to your other related content which create a flow around your blog. Don't forget it. Then write in-depth research studies about any topic in your niche. Don't just go and be writing by you're gone. No, it should be in-depth. Now submit blog to a website review site and get a link back instantly. Now you have website that actually specializes on review of other websites. So don't forget, go and research some of them and then always do share your website with them. It will help you gain huge number of traffic. Do you understand now? Number 7 is help other people in starting up blog and let them share your content. Yes, encourage others to start a blog and then share your content in their blog. It will help you a lot. Do teach people what not to do in your niche and warn them if they are doing something wrong. Please know that push notification services. Now, push notification services can help you to reach a lot of people. For instance, you visit a website and then one message will just pop up as if, do you feel like contacting us? That kind of a thing can help you reach people. Now, build progressive web app for your blog and get more quality visitors. Now, for people that own website and would want to convert their website to app and publish it in Google Play Store, it helps. I can help you do that. Just to let you know that I can do that. Not just I can do that. If you're not contacted, you can contact any other person. But just to let you know that it can help you gain more traffic because there is a way you present your app in Google Play Store, which is free for you to do, which is free for you to leave it there. So people will come and download. As they're downloading it, to direct them to your website. So now, build, what do I say again? Okay, let's go. Make YouTube videos for teaching people tips and tricks of blogging. It helps a lot. Now, ask your working organization to link to your blog. Ask your working organization to link to your blog. So, and so on and so forth. So, if you know you're a blogger or you're a YouTuber and you're finding it difficult to get traffic, and you follow all of these steps, I am sure you should be able to actually gain your your views, those views that you're looking for, a lot of traffic if you follow these steps I have just taught you. So thank you very much. And if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't be selfish. Do so to help us uh, gain more popularity. But let me not go, please. Let me teach you like 4 of these once more. Now, create online products related to your feed and give away for free to get visitors. Please don't, if you can do that, it will help you. Now, go to every seminar and webinar to interact with people in the field of blogging. Don't forget to do this. If you do that, it will help you. It will help you get contact with others and learn more new things all the time. Now, convert your posts into ebooks and sell them for free. Do you understand? Convert your posts to e-books and sell them for free. When you sell them for free and you put them in your website, people will want to come and download from your site all the time. It will help you. Now, You can use paid articles on other blogs to get reference link back. Do you understand that now? Add all your social channels to your blog. Don't forget to do that. Now, Facebook allows you to add Facebook page box in your page. So don't just take opportunity of that. Then another thing I want you to know that you can have polls and survey on your social media channel. Also, not particularly your blog. That will give you a spike. Also, then have email subscription box in your blog post so that anytime you write post, the person will get notification in his or her email that you have made a blog post. And on clicking the email, your link is there, and on clicking the link, it will give you more traffic. Now, try to delete any page link that is not there and showing error. Please, anything that shows errors in your blog, remove it immediately. Now, keep an eye on Google Webmaster Tool for any issue on your site. Don't forget to do that. Check your mail all the time. Now, use a good hosting which can handle heavy real-time traffic like Blogger that is free, WordPress, and the rest of them. Use them, please. Now, use some conspiracy to get your post in trending. Yes, this trick work a lot. Just create one kind of conspiracy, and then when you create that kind of conspiracy, people will read and then come and read again and ask others to come and check the link. The story is there. Then when they are trying to find out if it is true or false, you will keep getting a post. So just remember the now. Now never use illegal link building technique which can hurt your site authority. So don't use anything illegal on your site at all. Always use genuine themes for your blog, as other themes could have been hacked. Do you understand now? Use artificial intelligence and machine learning tools like Mautic. So if you do that, it will help you. Now, here we come to the end of this lesson. May God continue to bless you all. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do that. And I will boldly say one love and God bless you all. Bye.